Today we're taking a look at the Vernal Setup-In-One system, a motorized desk that allows you to work sitting or standing, as well as a whole range of other benefits, and it also comes with an impressive 15 years of warranty. Now, full disclosure before we get started though, the video is sponsored by Vernal Desks and they've sent me the desk for free to showcase to you guys. Now, when the desk arrived, I was surprised at how easy it was to set up. I've had other motorized desks that took a little while for the assembly, but with the Vernal system, it's nice and easy, and you basically just screw the legs onto the desk, add the control panel, and you're done. Now, I also like that with Vernal, it's not just desks that they're selling, so if you're upgrading your office, you can also get lots of different accessories to match. Now, they offer monitor raisers, CPU holder or extension boards, we've got file cabinets and side cabinets, as well as more cable management sets. Now, as you can see, I've chosen the light walnut standing desk, along with their V-Series desk shelf, a keyboard drawer and a filing cabinet, and it just makes the office look a lot more put together, having everything looking the same. Now, the desk itself is nice and sturdy thanks to its metal frame, and if we raise it up to its maximum height, it still remains very stable even if I push on it and give it some pressure. For the height adjustment, we can go between 58 centimeters all the way up to 123 centimeters, providing a sit or standing height for the majority of people. I've also been placing a slim treadmill underneath the desk so that I can also use the desk while working, and it's worked really well. The ability to have the desk so high also makes things much easier when you're cleaning underneath the desk. Now, we've also got this nice slimline control panel, and this not only allows you to move the desk up and down, but you also get 4 different presets. So this means you can have a preset for sitting, a preset for standing, and for me, I've got another preset for the height I need when using the treadmill. This also makes it great if you've got multiple people of different heights using the same desk. Now, we've got the option to lock the height adjustment as well, but to be honest, I've never needed this as I've never accidentally pressed the control panel as it's far enough out of the way. Now, in terms of weight capacity, it's able to hold up to 160 kilos, and it's also incredibly smooth as it moves up and down. So even if I've got something like a glass of water on the desk, I can move it without any worries. Now, as you can see here, I'm on top of the desk with a glass of water on it as well, and it's able to effortlessly lift me while keeping things nice and smooth. Now, it's also got an adjustable anti-collision rebound, so if you do ever try and accidentally raise it and there's something in the way, it's not going to break it. The desktop itself comes in a wide range of color choices and sizes, and you can also choose whether you want a black or white frame, and I've got the 150cm wide version here, but you can also select between 150, 120 or 100cm wide to suit your space. Now, all 3 sizes have a 70cm depth, which is great for fitting plenty of stuff on your desk, and as I use a monitor raiser as most of the time I'm working on the laptop with this, it's great to have the additional space. Now, the desk material itself is nice and solid, and thanks to the metal frame underneath it, I would imagine this is going to stand the test of time and I've got no worries about it warping. Vernal have also backed up their build quality by providing a 15-year warranty, which is incredible. You can see I've also got the integrated keyboard tray, which is another great space saver, and having it with the same finish on the front means it doesn't look out of place. On the rear frame, we've also got cable management trays, and as I said, I've been using this for the laptop, but for those of you that are going to be using a desktop, if you've got lots of wires, it just makes things much tidier, and I always recommend putting something like a 4-gang power plug hidden behind the tray, so that you only need 1 power wire going into the tray, and it can then power anything else you need, like your monitors, and keep the cabling nice and tidy. The desk also came with plenty of cable ties to make the cable management nice and easy. I'm using the laptop on this desk model, but for those of you using a computer, they've also got a CPU holder, so you can place your tower on the side of the frame like this, and this just makes it look a lot cleaner, and it's also much easier to cable manage for the rising and falling of the desk. The filing cabinets also fit in well, and they were a quick job to build, and I've got the short cabinet here, but it also comes in a tool version. When it comes to the pricing, the desk starts from £359, which I personally think is a great price considering the build quality and very long warranty, and you can also use the discount code TTYTB to get an extra 7% off. Overall, I'm very happy with the Vernal Setup-In-One system, and I've been using it for about 3 weeks now with no complaints at all. It's strong, it's sturdy and well built, yet it's still compact and stylish, and it doesn't take up too much room. If you just need a desk that you can move, or if you want to start working standing up at times, then I highly recommend checking it out. And of course, I've placed the link down in the description below, as well as the discount code for the 7% off. Now hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but of course if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.